in Kakamega County.
Baringa Senator Gideon Moi has expressed concerns over bodies being held in hospital morgues on grounds of pending bills. Gideon was speaking when he visited a family at Kambi Moi in Eldama Ravine, whose matriarch's body was being held over a pending bill of about 1.8 million shillings. 3 fundraisings held since April has seen them collect only 891,000 shillings. Gideon said he will take care of the needs of the family and asked them to prepare for the burial of their late mother.
Yes. Thank you so much.
So this day. Oh, this
But we have to find a mechanism that when you have such incidents or people pass away over such terminal diseases, there should be a waiver. And those are the things we should look at as legislators. And I remember once the President Uhuru had encouraged that and said that we should. But those are issues which we should look at once we have to. But for me at this immediate time, please, let's keep Mulio as your neighbor. Since you want to I've been told by the gentleman Remo, MC, and VC, Deputy VC, about this